With increasing gas prices, people are more considerate about alternative modes of transportation that minimize the impact done to the environment. The bus and metro system is an example of transportation that minimizes environmental impact, but many choose to commute by car, as it is private, comfortable, and is able to go from point A to point B directly. Global warming has led to developments in biofuels for cars, which use the same method of energy transformation as petroleum. However, car companies are starting to develop fully electric cars that require no gas at all. Instead of spending approximately $3,000 a year on fuel, an electric car would cost $560 a year and could be recharged not only from specific charging stations, but from home as well. At the 2010 Montreal International Auto Show at the Palais de Congrès, Mitsubishi Motors and Hydro-Quebec announced a pilot project with the municipal government of Boucherville to test Mitsubishi's all-electric car, the iMIEV. The MIEV is a highway-capable car with a maximum speed of 130 km per hour and can travel up to 160 km per charge. 50 MIEVs were given to the municipal government and local businesses to determine how the cars would operate in winter conditions. Hydro-Quebec is to install charging stations around the province, first being at the Sheraton Hotel in Montreal. Hydro-Quebec was chosen to work with Mitsubishi because it provides cheap electricity with zero emissions. This is not the first MIEV field test, as similar tests have been conducted in British Columbia, Great Britain, Australia, and Hong Kong with unanimous positive feedback from users. The MIEV is not the first electric vehicle to be developed and used. In 1997, GM produced the EV1, but despite being positively reviewed by its users, all of them were recalled and scrapped. In 2009, the production of the Zen electric car was halted despite being bought by the NDG Cotonej municipal government. This was caused by the trouble the company had in getting authorization from Transportation Canada, who had issue with the vehicle's maximum speed of 40 km per hour, even though it was authorized in the United States and Mexico. Mitsubishi is not the only large car company currently developing electric cars, as Nissan, Chevrolet, and Ford are also producing electric vehicles for the average driver. Luxury versions of the electric car are being developed by BMW and Tesla Motors, which is producing the Tesla S, capable of traveling 300 km per charge with a maximum speed of 200 km per hour. Andrew Sapala, an electrical engineer working on the Karuna electric truck, a truck that can haul 50 metric tons, explained that electric vehicles are currently used in the industrial sector. According to Mr. Sapala, there have been many recent developments in electric motor efficiency and drive, which can be applied to regular cars as well.
Electric cars are the best alternative to gas-fueled vehicles. The test in Boucherville shows that electric cars are as efficient as the gas-fueled vehicles in Canadian weather conditions. Citizens have used the iMIEV in their daily routine and have only given positive feedback about the vehicle.
Numerous different electric vehicles being produced in the near future, there is no more valid reason to not purchase an eco-friendly vehicle. Yes, the electric car costs a little bit more because its production is expensive.
However, in the last few years, the government has offered incentives. There are tax incentive programs for electric vehicles and alternatively fueled vehicles. As long as the government and big car companies are interested in developing electric vehicles, there's a good probability that electric cars will become popular.
It is now in our power to make the decision. We can make the change by buying an electric car, and on a long term it will preserve our planet.
We choose the electric car!